I've always wondered what made Amma's food taste so good. What were the ingredients that she used? Or how did she create that perfect dough? And most of all, what was her secret recipe? Amma never revealed her secrets, but I knew the magic was in her touch. Watching Amma cook was inspiring. She could whip up anything we wanted. Amma never went to office like mommy or daddy. She worked in the kitchen. This was where we baked, where we cooked, and where we had the most fun. I learned to cook from Amma. She always said cooking for the family brought her the greatest joy, and I wanted to be just as happy as her. But before I could learn everything from her and discover her secret recipe, Amma passed away. Now all that is left is her kampong, her kitchen, and our memories together. I never learned Amma's secret recipe, but I'll always remember her. Amma would always say, do it once, do it right, and always do it from the heart. Even though Amma is no longer with us, Amma's kitchen will always be a special place in our home. Mommy had learnt all of Amma's recipes, and now she teaches them to me. Every day, dish after dish, we've recreated Amma's culinary magic in the kitchen. I finally discovered Amma's secret recipe. It doesn't matter what I'm cooking or how I'm cooking, as long as I cook from the heart. That was her secret recipe. And that's how I found true happiness, just like Amma. I will never forget Amma's words. A family that cooks together, eats together, and a family that eats together, stays together.